Akshara, today start the puppet show.
Okay. Okay, ಹೇಳಿ.
Okay.
One day, one monkey is
Hanging.
hanging in the tree. Duck is very sad. I want to hang to the tree. Monkey says, "You are duck. You
Can't.
can't hang in the tree.
So,
So I am hanging in the tree. La 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 la."
will the monkey come down? Then?
Then he hold the hands to duck and climb.
Oh, wow. Nice, monkey friend. It helped the duck to climb the tree holding its hand.
Yes.
Very nice. Clap for Extra.